Hey guys, in this video I want to walk you through how to install Autodesk AutoCAD 2022 64-bit on a Windows 10 64-bit machine. So first of all, I can tell you I've got 12 gigs free. It should suffice in theory. We'll find out. And it's probably recommended to have more space, and this is a Windows 10 Pro with 8 gigs of memory, and it's probably recommended to beef up the memory some more depending on what kind of drawings, and if you're going to be like rendering some of your files, but 8 gigs, we'll see what happens. So let me go ahead and open up a Google Chrome, and we can search for Autodesk AutoCAD. And that's education. So I'm going to install the educational version because that one is free as long as you are part of an institution of higher learning. So make sure that whatever link you click on has the education text in it, so that way you're not redirected to the retail store. So here is what we're looking for, AutoCAD. So I'm going to click Get Started. Now it's going to ask you to go ahead and sign in or create an account. I had to create an account, and the account that I used was part of my education email. So let me go ahead and sign into that right now. Alright, so and the password, if I remember correctly. Stand by for a second. Alright, this should be my well, no, maybe I can do this one. Alright, yeah. Alright, that should be my password. Alright, I do not want to save it. Once you register, it is going to verify you with a couple of emails, and that's why I recommend that you use an educational email account, so that it could this verification process can happen faster for you. So I'm already confirmed. Once you get confirmed, this will take you to their actual download page. So now if I click on AutoCAD and get product, it gives me the option to select which version and to either install it or to download it. I'm going to choose 2022, and then whatever language you're comfortable with. If they have it here listed, I'm going to go with English. You have the option to do the install or to do the download. I typically do the download because I like to have the file for future reference. So this is going to take a few minutes here, and I'll come back when it's done. Alright, so it looks like it's done downloading. Let's go ahead and run it here. Take a look at the task manager and see what we got. Defender Smart Screen is running on it. Verify it's a legit application. It is. Okay, so now it wants to extract itself to this particular folder, which it created by default. You could change it if you want to, but I'll leave it as is. And I'll let it go ahead and self-extract. And we'll come back when this is done. Alright, so it looks like it is extracting here. Hopefully under a minute left to extract these almost 4 gigs here. I'll go ahead and let it finish, and then I'll come back when it's done. Alright, so it's about done here. Let's go ahead and looks like it's kicking off the installation. Alright, we'll let this run and come back. Alright, so just got prompted for the UAC, and accept that. We've got a Autodesk splash screen. We'll agree to the terms and conditions. Again, it's defaulting to this particular directory to install itself. If you want to change it, it looks like you can. I'll just leave it as default. There's an AutoCAD performance reporting tool. I'm going to go ahead and check it. Basically just calls home, and it is off to the races. So I'll come back when this is done installing. Alright, so it looks like we're getting close to the finish line here. Coming up on 88%. And there goes my storage sense alert, because I'm pretty sure I'm yeah, running out of space. So yeah, those what, 12, 13 gigs I have free barely made it. But we're already starting to see the icon pop up here. On the desktop. So yeah, AutoCAD is a huge install. Definitely recommend you having more than those what, 12, 13 gigs. Hopefully you have like a dedicated system that you're going to be running this on, that has sufficient resources. Let's see what my performance is like right now. So just the install is taking 3 gigs out of my 8 gigs. It's using more than a third of my total memory, and that's just the installation. So just imagine when you have this actually running, how resource intensive it's going to be. And it's letting us know that we can actually start it. Don't really need to wait for it to finish here. So I will oblige it and go ahead and kick it off. That's what it's basically telling us what it's going to do with the data it collects. Great. So it's installed. I can sign in with my Autodesk ID, which if I'm using the educational version should automatically activate me since I don't have a serial or network license. So let's try doing that. My password is still saved on the clipboard. Great, yeah. So that is what allowed me to register this install, and we have Autodesk AutoCAD 2022 installed. If I wanted to go here, go to About. And manage license, student version with an expiration of October 2023. Perfect. Great. Alright guys, so that was a quick walkthrough on installing Autodesk AutoCAD 2022 64-bit on a Windows 10 machine. Specifically the educational version. I hope you like this video. Feel free to like, share, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in another video. Take care. Bye.